Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of TechTube, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your background picture into Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change your background picture of Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open the Crunchyroll application, and after opening the Crunchyroll, just simply go into this account section at first. And now into the accounts section you will see your avatar and background picture. You just simply have to click into this pen icon below the avatar in order to change your background picture. Just simply click there and this pen icon will appear into the background picture. Just simply click into the pen icon. After that, a lot of background pictures will appear that you can set into your Crunchyroll background. For example, the background from this solo leveling and also from the Fana Prided Princess set and Metallic Ruse and many more. And also so many more options. Just simply select the background that you want to set, and after that click to this done button at the top right corner. And after that your background in Crunchyroll will be saved after clicking into this save button at the bottom. And as you can see here, my background picture for Crunchyroll is saved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.